हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम बैक। सो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से सॉरी फॉर मेकिंग you wait for so long, but from today onwards I'll begin to upload more and more videos on JMI entrance paper, and for this I need your support and help, so please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, so that I'll get motivated and will upload more and more videos on the different entrance papers, and you will get prepared for the next entrance paper. So in this video I'll discuss about the general awareness section of BCom BBA paper of Jamia Millia Islamia. So let's get started. So the first question is this: the maximum number of nominated members in Rajya Sabha is option A 2, B 12, C 8, D 3. Okay, so like maximum number of nominated members in Rajya Sabha is 12 members. Okay, if we talk about the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha, so it is 250 members. Okay, but in present there are only 245 members in Rajya Sabha, and out of the 250 members, 12 members are nominated by the president and 238 are representatives of the states and of the two union territories. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is 12. The members are nominated by the president. Okay, so the answer is B. 22. The normal temperature of a human body is. So the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. So if they ask you about the answer in Celsius, so the correct answer is 37, but if it is given in Fahrenheit, so the correct answer is 97 to 99 Fahrenheit. Next question is: a human cell has got pairs of chromosomes. Okay, so human cell has got pairs. Okay, it is 23 pairs of chromosomes. So correct answer is D. Now the 24th question: which of the following is the correct explanation of capital flight? It is the large inflow of investment in Indian stock market from foreign investors. It is the sudden outflow of the foreign institutional investment from Indian market. It is the boom of capital market in India. It is the boom of FDI in India. So the 24 answer, please comment on the comment section about the answer of 24. Okay, you have to comment the answer of 24 in the comment section. I'll check your answers. Now the next question is: which of the following acid is present in the sting of an ant? Yes, so the correct answer is formic acid. Formic acid is present in the sting of an ant, and formic acid is nothing but a simple carboxylic acid. Name the first Arabic writer to be awarded Nobel Prize for Literature. So the correct answer is D, Naguib Mahfouz. He is an Egyptian novelist. What percent of solar radiation directly reaches the earth? So if we talk about the amount of solar energy, the total amount of solar energy reaching the earth is 70%, but out of the 70%, only 22.5% goes directly to the surface of the earth. So the correct answer here is C, 20. Okay. 28. Which of the following cities is situated on the bank of river Tiber? So the correct answer is B. Which is the most irrigated state in India? So everybody knows the answer. It is Punjab. The weight of the cricket ball is approximately. Yes, the weight of the cricket ball is approximately. So the correct answer is C, 5. 31. The largest producer of sugar in the world is. So guys, it's a 2016 entrance paper. If we answer according to the data which had been out in 2018, so now the India became the world's largest producer of sugar. Okay, so none of the answer is correct. The correct answer is India. According to the data of 2018. So the largest producer of sugar in the world is India. The Servants of India Society was founded by B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who among the following was the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? He is Vishwanath Anand. What is the literal meaning of secularism? Now everybody knows this answer. What is the literal meaning of secularism? Tell me. So the literal meaning of secularism is separation of religion from the state matters. The correct answer is C. 35. The United Nations Day is observed annually on October 24. The famous financial advisor to Akbar was Todermal. Which of the following birds doesn't lay eggs? Pigeon, ostrich, penguin, bat. So bat do not lay eggs. They give birth to one baby a year. Okay, and bats are mammals. So the national game of China is table tennis. Which of the following novels was not written by Charles Dickens? So it is War of the Worlds, which was written by Josh and David. 40. India's first TV center was set up at. Okay, so don't be confused in this answer. Some says that it is in Delhi, but it is in Calcutta. Okay, so the correct answer is Calcutta, now Kolkata. 41. Who defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people? So it is the most common GK question. B. Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so the correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. 42. So how many languages are mentioned in the 8th schedule? So 22, total 22 languages have been mentioned in the 8th schedule. What percent of the Earth's surface is covered under water? So what percent of Earth's surface is covered under water? It is the 3rd and 4th class question. So the answer is C, 71. Which of the following is not a ground for declaring national emergency in India? So if we talk about war, so it is external aggression, it is C, armed rebellion, it is D, internal disturbances. So internal disturbances not a ground for declaring the national emergency in India. So the answer is D. Which of the following is the deepest and biggest ocean in the world? It is Pacific Ocean. Dadabhai Naoroji Award for promoting international relation and culture, education and commerce is given by the government of which country? So the correct answer is UK. From the constitution of which country we have borrowed the fundamental rights of Indian constitution? So for this question you have to comment the correct answer in the comment box, okay, and I'll check your answers. 48 is which of the following is an INSAT geostationary orbiting satellite? The correct answer is Kalpana 1. Where is the headquarters of Commonwealth of States? Where it is located? So Commonwealth of Games is located in London, okay, but here it is Commonwealth of States. So where it is, you have to comment on the comment box. The Battle of Plassey was fought in. So correct answer is 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. The territory of Porus, who offered strong resistance to Alexander, was situated between the rivers of Jhelum and Chenab. Under Akbar, Mir Bakshi was required to look after. Correct answer is A, military affairs. 53. The office of the Prime Minister of India rests on coronations, is created by the Parliament, is created by the Constitution, or D, all of the above. So the answer of 53 is D, all of the above. 54. The member of the state legislative assemblies are elected for a period of 2 years, 6 years, 5 years, and 3 years. So the correct answer is 5 years. The oath of office is conducted to the President by the Chief Justice of India. 56. The objective of the Morley-Minto reforms was. So what was the objective of Morley-Minto reforms? So the answer is what? You have to comment on the comment box. Okay. I'm giving you some of the questions so that you will find the answers of these questions and comment on my on the comment box. Okay. The minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India is 25 years is the minimum age to become a Prime Minister of India. Notes on which denomination has a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi printed on them. It is all of the above. The author of India Wins Freedom, written by Maulana Azad, was the writer of India Wins Freedom book. Jude Felix is a famous Indian player in which of the field? So the correct answer is hockey. Okay,